Have you been afraid of the flying terrors? Whoa! There are so many big birds that can harm you anytime. Ooh! We are going to talk about the most dangerous and largest birds that are there. Some are flying, some are just walking. We are going to know more about it today.
The most dangerous bird species are also some of the most beautiful. These seemingly innocent creatures can pack a punch or peck that you definitely want to avoid. From razor-sharp talons to shockingly hard beaks, these birds can also be life-threatening if you're not careful. While most birds prefer to avoid human contact, certain species have earned reputations for being aggressive and even deadly. Let's take a look at the 10 most dangerous birds, ranked by their ability to cause harm, and learn a little about what makes each of them a force to be reckoned with. 1. Northern Cassowary. Northern Cassowary. Agami Photo Agency. Shutterstock. The northern cassowary, or single-wattled cassowary, is often considered the deadliest bird on the planet, especially when protecting cassowary chicks. Over 150 attacks have been reported from the northern cassowary since 1900. However, of these numerous cassowary attacks, only one has led to a human death in the wild. These large, flightless birds have powerful legs with sharp, dagger-like claws that they use to defend themselves when threatened. Known for their solitary nature, female cassowaries are particularly aggressive when guarding their young or defending their territory. The rainforests of New Guinea serve as the primary cassowary habitat. 2. Southern Cassowary. Southern Cassowary. Henry Cook, Getty Images. Coming in as a close second, the southern cassowary, also known as the double-wattled cassowary, is another member of this family of exceptionally large birds. This flightless bird is known for its territorial behavior and aggressive nature. This cassowary is native to the rainforests of northern Australia and New Guinea, where it feeds on fruit, including the rare Australian rainforest tree fruits. Southern cassowaries are the most common cassowary species. Like the others, they are also equipped with strong legs and sharp claws, which they use to kick and slash at threats, making them one of the most dangerous birds you could encounter in the wild. Long story short, you don't want to just drop in on a wild cassowary population unless you have a death wish. 3. Dwarf Cassowary. Dwarf Cassowary. Holger Kirk, Shutterstock. While smaller than its northern and southern relatives, the dwarf cassowary is still one of the deadliest birds. Native to New Guinea and surrounding islands, these solitary birds can be highly territorial. Though less aggressive than their larger counterparts, they are still capable of delivering powerful kicks with their sharp claws. Dwarf cassowaries are also highly protective of their young, and a defensive mother is not a bird you want to cross. 4. Ostrich. Ostrich. McDonald Wildlife Photography in Getty Images. The ostrich may look like a big, goofy bird, but don't let that fool you. These giants can be dangerous. Standing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall and weighing over 300 pounds, 136.1 kilograms, ostriches have powerful legs and sharp claws that can deliver fatal kicks to predators or humans. Ostriches are the largest bird species living today, and while they prefer to run from danger, and they can run fast, up to 45 miles, 72 kilometers per hour, they will fight back fiercely if cornered. 5. Emu. Emu. Jametaris. Getty Images. Like the ostrich, the emu is a large flightless bird known for its speed and strength. Native to Australia, these birds can become aggressive if provoked or if their young are threatened. Emus are equipped with sharp talons and strong legs that allow them to deliver powerful kicks. Although emus are generally shy, they are capable of inflicting serious injuries when they feel threatened. 6. Harpy Eagle. Harpy eagles. Gabriel Theron Vesey, Getty Images. The harpy eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the world, and it has the strength to back up its reputation. Native to the rainforests of Central and South America, harpy eagles use their massive talons, up to 5 inches (13 centimeters) long, to catch and kill prey as large as monkeys and sloths. While they don't typically pose a threat to humans, their sheer power makes them one of the most dangerous birds in the avian world. 7. Lammergeier, bearded vulture. Lammergeier. Dario Pautasso, Shutterstock. The lammergeier, also known as the bearded vulture, has a strange diet that consists mainly of bones. This bird is known for picking up bones and dropping them from great heights to break them into smaller, more digestible pieces. While lammergeiers aren't generally aggressive toward humans, they are territorial and may strike down on other species that wander too close to their nest. These massive birds have wingspans up to 9 feet (2.7 meters), making them a formidable sight in their natural habitat in mountainous regions of Europe, Africa, and Asia. 8. Red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawk. Say, Getty Images. The red-tailed hawk is one of North America's most common birds of prey, and while it usually hunts small animals like rodents, it can be quite dangerous if threatened. With sharp talons and a strong beak, these hawks can cause significant injury if they feel the need to defend their territory or nest. Attacks on humans are rare, but the strength of the red-tailed hawk makes it one of the more dangerous birds to approach without caution. Very rarely, the bird of prey may try to dive bomb small dog or cat breeds that are left unattended in hawk territory. 9. Great horned owl. Great horned owl. Mihauninger, Shutterstock. Known as the tiger of the sky, the great horned owl is a fierce predator with a powerful grip and razor-sharp talons that it can use to take down ground-dwelling animals and even other birds of prey. These owls are extremely territorial and will defend their nests aggressively, sometimes attacking humans who get too close. With their stealthy flying abilities and strong beaks, great horned owls can cause significant injuries, particularly to anyone unknowingly venturing into their nesting area. 10. Barred owl. Barred owls. Michael J. Cohen, photographer, Getty Images. The barred owl might not look particularly threatening, but it has been involved in several aggressive encounters with humans. These owls are extremely territorial and have been known to swoop down and attack hikers or anyone who gets too close to their nests. Though they are smaller than some other birds of prey, barred owls can still inflict painful wounds with their talons and beak.
If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button to join our journey. Your small gesture of subscribing will help our small channel grow a lot. Your support means everything to us.